Hello friends, welcome to ABNV tutorials. So today in this video we'll see the function in M language in Power Query. So we'll see how to write the function in M language in Power Query. Okay. So I opened the transform Power Query. Then here go to blank query. Okay. Then go to view advanced editor. Okay. So here we'll write a function. Let's say function name is add equal to we have to explicitly mention the type of the data. Okay, so x as number. Okay, and this is input and output is x plus 1. Okay, we are taking a number x as input and we are adding 1 to that number and x plus 1 is the output. Okay, this is the function here. Okay, this entire thing is the function. Okay, and this is the input and this is the output. Okay, and here explicitly we are mentioning the type as x as a number. Okay, and one more method is there implicitly, that means we can ignore that type. Okay, that also I'll explain next. So add equal to x as number, symbol x plus 1. Okay, so add, this is a function. So how to use this function? Let's say any variable, let's say calculate add 1. Okay, this is my variable. So I'm applying this function and storing the value in that variable. Let's say 5. Okay, so here we have to put comma. Okay, then same thing we have to give here, right? And let's see the output. So here we are taking 5 and adding 1 to that. Okay, so 5 is the input and 5 plus 1 is the output. Okay, so 6 will get. Okay, so this is the function output, right? And I said, right, we can implicitly mention the type also. That means you can ignore this as number also. Okay, so then it will come as any type. Okay, so this also works fine. Let's say the value, let's say change it to 10 and see the output 11. Okay, so like this we can write a function in Power Query. Let's see the two variables thing. Now we have learned about only one variable. This is the input and this is the output. So let's say two variables and see how to write the function. So add two numbers. This is my function name and the numbers are x comma y. So here I will put x plus y. Okay, output. Okay, then I will say results. Okay, then here I will take one list and I will apply function to two variables. Okay, I will take two variables. One is add 1 equal to, here I am applying this function and adding two numbers and storing the value in add 1. Okay, so here I will add two numbers, let's say 4 comma 5, and adding two numbers and saving the result in add 1. Okay, and the second variable is add 2. Okay, so this also I'm adding two numbers but different numbers I'm adding now. Okay, let's say here different numbers, let's say 2 comma 3. Okay, I'm storing in add 2. Okay, I'm applying this function to 4 and 5 and saving the output in add 1. Okay, and I'm adding 2 and 3 using this function and saving the result in add 2. Okay, so results is a list containing add 1 and add 2 variables. Okay, so this results I want to see as a output. Okay, so give here results. So let's see the output now. So add 1 is 9 and add 2 equal to 5. Okay guys, so like this we'll write m functions in Power Query. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhianvi Tutorials for more such amazing Power Query functions and tasks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.